goes like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my journey on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan. And if you don't know what OPTAVIA is, I have some information listed in the description box below. Essentially, you have 5 fuelings a day that come in your monthly OPTAVIA box, and you make 1 lean and green, which is lean protein and non-starchy vegetables at home each day. And it leads you to optimal weight. All right, so it is Friday morning, and on my countdown, it is day 26 before I go to Florida. So as you see, I'm having the cinnamon roll for breakfast. I just made it in my mini dash griddle, and I'm gonna take that to work and have it with some black coffee. You'll see what I have for my second fueling, and then I should be home for lunch. See you then.
Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars. And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.
Well, okay, I made it home for lunch, and you saw what I had. The rustic tomato herb penne. It is one of my absolute favorite savory fuelings. And I do alter it slightly because I use 3/4 cup of water instead of 2/3 like the package requires. But while I'm home for lunch, my OPTAVIA box came in the mail. So I wanted to do a little unboxing. So I still have a lot of fuelings. I've said in previous videos, I inherited a lot from my daughter, but I was definitely running out of some of my favorites. And I've also said in previous videos that due to the fact that I'm a breast cancer survivor, I do try to do 2 out of the 5 fuelings soy-free. Now, you'll notice when you watch my videos, you'll see a lot of peanut butter shakes and caramel macchiato shakes. Those are soy-free. The mashed potatoes, both of them, the roasted garlic and the sour cream and chive, those are also soy-free. And my favorite of the 2 is the sour cream and chive. And all I had left was roasted garlic. So I've got an order in there with some sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. The cheddar biscuit is soy-free. So is the frothy cappuccino mix and the hot chocolate and the mint chocolate soft serve. And I'm sure there's others I'm not thinking of at the moment. Oh, the cheesy buttermilk mac and cheese is soy-free. And let me think if I'm missing anything else. I can't think right now. But anyway, I had run low on a lot of my soy-free options, especially the shakes. So let's get started with the unboxing. What do I have here? I got some cinnamon sugar sticks. Now, initially, when I first was on program, I didn't really like these. I thought they were super dry. I needed hot tea to have with them. And I don't know if they changed their formula or my taste buds just adjusted, but now I absolutely love the cinnamon sugar sticks. So, and a little trick, and it's not my trick, it's actually my coach's, Ashley Kisner's. We've been out of both of the cereals, the cinnamon one and the red berry O's. And I am running very low. I still have a few bags left, but not many. Now, Ashley's trick is to chop up a bag of the cinnamon sugar sticks and have it with your half cup of unsweetened almond milk. And she says it tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I think I will definitely be trying that in the next week or so when I run out of my other cereal. All right, so there is that. Yay, the velvety hot chocolate. I have been out of this now for about 2 weeks, and I really love the hot chocolate. And again, when I first started on program, I didn't hate it, but it really wasn't one of my favorites. And now I absolutely love it. And I know some people like to have it at night. I like it as my last fueling before I leave work. So as fueling number 4 at my office about 3 or 3:30, it's perfect. And I keep a little hand mixer there at work just for the purpose of mixing the hot chocolate and the frothy cappuccino mix. So anyway, I think I got 2 of these actually. Let me see. Yep. I got 2 hot chocolates. All right, what else do we have in here? The caramel macchiato shake. Now, again, this is one of my very favorite shakes. And I like to have it also with a shot of espresso in it as a cold coffee drink. And it is delicious. So I think I got 2 of these as well. I've been out of these for a couple weeks too. Let me see. Yep, I got 2 of them. That there. All right. And the peanut butter shake. I have about 2 of these left. And this is just one of my favorite shakes to have just plain with water and ice, and I shake it up. And I think the key also is to let it sit maybe a minute or so after you shake it, but before you drink it, and it gets a little bit thicker and creamier. So got a peanut butter shake, and I did get 2 of these as well. So got that. Yes, the sour cream and chive mashed potato fueling. Now, like I said, of the 2 mashed potatoes, I do still like the roasted garlic, and I have a fueling hack where I turn the roasted garlic mashed potato into a wrap, and I make an Italian cheese roll up with some mozzarella cheese, a little bit of sauce, and some turkey pepperoni. And I'll try to link that up here. And that's really good with the roasted garlic mashed potatoes as the wrap. I haven't tried the sour cream and chive one as a wrap, but that might be good too with like maybe a little Alfredo chicken kind of action going on. Anyway, I'll put that there. And I got 2 of those. So I got another one. And another favorite. The chewy chocolate chip cookie. You've seen I've been on a kick of making cookies out of my chewy chocolate chip fueling and out of the decadent brownie mix with Greek yogurt chips. And essentially, I just mix it according to package directions for this. On the brownies, I do 2 tablespoons of water instead of 3, but this already calls for just 2. And then I make it into like 4 blobs, and I bake it in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. And they are so good. So I got 2 boxes of the chewy chocolate chip cookie mix. Yep. here is my other box. And speaking of the decadent chocolate brownie mix, I picked up another box of this. I still have probably 10 or 11 left over in stock, so, but I didn't want to run out. So I got that. And then I got the red bean and vegetable chili mix. Now, you've seen me make that in recent videos. I also alter the amount of water that I put in the fueling. I use a little bit less than 1 cup as opposed to the 3/4 cup that the package directions call for. And then I make it according to package directions. I do cover it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have the patience to wait the 10 minutes, it's even better. And the water is absorbed by the beans and everything else, and it has a really good flavor, especially if you like chili. And last but not least, my 2 favorite bars, the chocolate mint cookie crisp bar and the lemon tart crisp bar. Now, I like a lot of the different bars, but I have still plenty of bars, but I was running low on my favorites, so I stocked up. And actually, I really wish I would have ordered more. I have a lot of fuelings, but I am still running low on some of my favorites. So I'm probably gonna be doing another order in the next 3 or 4 weeks because I'm running low on the pudding, the sweet blueberry biscuit mix, the cheddar biscuit mix. There's more, I can't even think right now, but yeah, I'll probably be placing another order in the next 3 or 4 weeks. All right, I wanted to share this unboxing with you. I am going to put this all away and then I will check back before I leave to go back to work. All right, well, I just unpacked all of my new fuelings, and I did want to reiterate, I've talked about this in previous videos, but when I say I do 2 of the 5 fuelings soy-free, that is just something I'm doing to be on the safe side. I had a long discussion with my doctor when I was first diagnosed, and I told her about the program and that many of the fuelings had soy. And she was not worried about it at all. In fact, she said the countries that have the highest soy consumption have some of the lowest breast cancer statistics. So, but it's just a thing I do just to be on the safe side. So I just wanted to make sure that I told you guys that because I did not want you to think that any of the fuelings are harmful. They are not. As a matter of fact, they're nutritionally balanced and good for you. All right, so it is time to head back to work. I snagged a velvety hot chocolate to bring to the office to have for my 4th fueling. So you'll see me have that later. And then I'll be home to make my lean and green. And Mike is coming over and I'm going to do just a simple lean and green. And I'm gonna make spaghetti squash. I'm going to use 2 greens worth. And then for my 3rd green, I will use the Aldi tomato basil. You get a 1/4 cup for 1 green. Now, as for the lean portion of the entree, I have this sweet Italian style chicken sausage that I just took out of the freezer. I got it at Trader Joe's, and 2 links is 1 lean. And I have 4 left. I used 1 in my jambalaya soup recipe, which was so good. But I'm gonna thaw these out and I'll cut them up, saute them in a pan on the stove, and serve them over my spaghetti squash with the tomato basil sauce. And then I'm gonna use 1 condiment for a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. And then for Mike's, he's not a huge fan of spaghetti squash or zucchini noodles, so I'm gonna make him some rigatoni that I got in my grocery haul from the other day. All right, that's what I'm gonna do when I get home. So let me get back to work and I will see you soon.
Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car. Top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars. And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. What you say, wanna stay in a hotel, champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.